Hi TPF families, my name is Michelle and I'm an intern with Autism Tree project. And today I'll be reading Do You Like My Bike? Alrighty, excuse me. Okay. Now, where did I put my bike helmet? I must find it. I cannot ride my bike without it. It is not on the coat rack. It is not in my closet. It is not under my bed. It is not in the flower pot. It is not in the freezer. It is not anywhere. My helmet is lost. I cannot ride my bike today. Now I remember. What does he remember? He looks happy. I left my helmet on the seat of my bike, so I would not forget where it was. Yay! New bike. Ring, ring, ring. Munch, munch, munch. Is that a hedgehog? It is a hedgehog. He is riding a bike. He is coming this way. He's coming this way fast. He's coming this way too fast. Uh-oh. Ring, ring, ring. Hello, Harry. Hello, hedgehog. What do you think of my new bike? Uh-oh, he looks worried. I think it is too fast. Oh, I'm sorry. I tried to warn you with my bell. Isn't this the best bike you've ever seen? It has a basket. It has a soft yellow seat. It has squishy handlebars. It has a bell. It has everything. It is a nice bike. Why, thank you. Would you like to ride my bike, Harry? No, you just got this bike. You should ride it. It is okay. I don't mind sharing. I do not have a helmet. You can use my helmet. It will not fit me. Oh, go get your helmet. Then you can ride my bike. He looks very worried. It will take too long to go to my house. It will not. I can see your house from here. I might have lost my helmet. You lost your helmet? I might have. I think you did not like my bike. No, Hedgehog, I do like your bike. Then how come you will not ride it? I will show you. Wait here. Ring, ring, ring. And he's waiting and waiting. Harry, you brought your own bike. We can ride together. Oh, you have training wheels. Yes, I cannot ride without them. So that is why you would not ride my bike. It is hard to ride a bike without training wheels. You'll learn when you are ready. Oh, he's happy now. We can still ride together. Let's go. You will not feel silly riding with me? Of course not. You will not go too fast? I will not go too fast. Thank you, Hedgehog. You are welcome, Harry. Come on, let's ride. You will not ring the bell too much, will you? I cannot promise that. Ring, 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 ring. Snacks. Where should we go? We should ride to my house. Look, he doesn't even listen to him. Are there snacks at your house? Why, yes. We should ride to your house. Let's go. Ring, ring, ring. That was a good bike ride. Yes, it was a good ride. The ride has made me tired. The ride has made me hungry. Oh, right, the snacks. I will go get them for us to eat. Good idea. What snacks should I bring? Should I bring grapes? Should I bring fruit cups? Should I bring yogurt? I cannot decide. I did not know what you would like, Harry, so I brought everything. Everything, my favorite. Slurp and munch. That was a big snack. After a big snack, I would like to go for a walk. I think I'm full. I am too full for walking. I have an idea. Hooray for an extra wheel and a good friend. Alrighty. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.